Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. B. One traveler long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth. Jai Hind. This poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. It is also about careful decision making and herd mentality, which is also called a bhed bakre ki mansikta. Recently, the results of class 10th and 12th have been declared, and it is at this junction where the students seem to be at a dilemma about making choices for their future. The story is same even for undergraduate students. Even Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan had a philosophy as a subject in his college as a chance rather than as a choice. Till graduation, even I myself had a science. So this dilemma has got a universal appeal. The road not taken. Today, I want to share with you a beautiful poem based on the same concept, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Here, the road is a symbol of making choices and decisions that ultimately makes a difference in our life. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about ordinary and common experiences. Robert Frost says that the decision that we make in our life should be made carefully. We may think that we can overturn all decisions, but some of the decisions have consequences and they can be permanent. The other theme of the poem is herd mentality, which is also called bhed bakri ki mansikta. It is difficult to be different from others, but it is not a bad thing. If you take the same track as the people before you have taken, you may not be able to stand out. But if you take your own track, you will be able to innovate, and that most probably will lead you to success rather than a failure. The road not taken, the complete poem is here it is. The first paragraph says, two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And B. One traveler long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth. The second stanza then took the another just as fair and having perhaps a better claim because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them equally, really about the same. The third stanza is both that morning equally lay in leaves, no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to. I doubted if I should ever come back. The final stanza is I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. So this was the beautiful poem The Road Not Taken, which is mainly about the decisions and choices we make in our life, and that time we have to be very careful because the choices and the decisions make all the differences. Thank you so much for being with me in the making of this beautiful video called The Road Not Taken. Thank you so much.